Hang on. So this is another day. I think this is the day after you've seen the last part. I'll figure it out and let y'all know. But I'm trying to find my cat's treats right now. Is anybody else cat addicted to these? Now, I was researching these and people were saying how unhealthy they were for cats, but I've literally tried to buy my cat different. Ooh, I literally tried to buy her different treats to like kind of wean her off of these, but girl, she ain't having it. Like, she literally does not try any other treats, and it's like really stressful. But yeah, so all day today, honestly, I just been sleeping. Y'all know Mother Nature came through yesterday, and excuse me, she came through yesterday and she fucked shit up. Excuse me. She came through yesterday, messed things up. And I didn't take the pictures like I said I was going to take the pictures. And now I don't have time to. But I did edit a YouTube video for my food channel. And I posted that. So that's up. But I've been getting packages all day today. So yeah, I just got another package. This is from Ulta. Yep, I didn't even get a notification. No, I did get a notification that this was shipped out. But I feel like I just bought this stuff Wednesday night. And girl, it's Thursday. And I got it. Is it Thursday or Friday? It's Thursday. So yeah, like I feel like I just ordered this stuff. And bada boom, it's here. It's crazy. So yeah. I ordered a few things too. Let me see. Ordered the 1st. And today's the 4th. So no, I lied. But I had to order it like okay. So I ordered it on Monday. Monday at night probably. More than likely Monday at night. And I still got it Thursday. So that's still like less than 3 full days. But yeah. I had got this body spray. The reason for this order is this right here. I had got this body spray, and I believe this is Toni Braxton's new line, and it's called Nude Sugar. She trademarked it because I see the TM. Refined, like, Lord, I can't talk. Refined body mist, creme brulee or brulee. Brulee, I don't know how to pronounce this stuff. The sophisticated warm fragrance of tonka milk, honeyed musk, orange blossom, and cherry vanilla is the perfect touch for a delicate scent experience. Ooh, that's why I can't pronounce some of this stuff. It's in like in French and stuff, and I wasn't paying attention. I layered something on this arm, but yeah, I'm gonna smell it. It reminds me of something that I had before, like growing up. It reminds me of a Bath and Body Works spray. It reminds me of Aqualina Pink Sugar, but warmer. I feel like I even have a perfume that smells like this. And it's kind of sticky. But it's called Nude Skin. And this is by Toni Braxton. I also ordered her perfume too, by the way. So I ordered that because I wanted to try it. She also had like body butters and stuff, but this would have been a cute perfume. I feel like I have a fragrance that smells like this, but I think I gave it away. I think it really was like a Bath and Body Works scent or something like that. Whatever. It's cute. Definitely will be wearing it at night. Or I might use it as a base to my perfumes. Because it's a whole situation that I do. Also, I picked up this Josie Moran whipped argan oil body butter. Now, I'm going to be honest with y'all. I said I wasn't going to do it, but I did it. Because this stuff is, this little jar is $36. This little jar of whipped body stuff is $36. And that's mad annoying, but whatever. $36 for this. But it's amazing. It's amazing. But I don't like how cheap this jar is, though. But then I'm saying to myself, I'm like, for $36, I could buy all the ingredients, like all the main oils that's in here, and make my own that's real natural. So I think I might do that, honestly, because I could get like a lot of stuff from Amazon and just make it myself. I also got some lip glosses. Was it 5? Yeah, it was 5. It was an odd number. These are from Maybelline. Now, I've seen these a minute ago, but I just never picked them up. And they are the, they're called Lifter Gloss. They have hyaluronic acid, which I'm obsessed with in lip products, because it moisturizes your lips and also plumps your lips naturally. So I have all 5 colors. The first color is Copper 017. The doofers are huge too. Oh, and it's thick. I was like, oh, I might send one of these back. Well, I might take one back because I might not like it. That's a cute color. It's really cute. The next shade has all this plastic on it. What is this? The next shade is, you know what? I'm going to put one. I'm going to do this one. This is Rust 016. So, like, if it's 016, where's all the other ones? Like 01, 02. You know what I mean? Like, where's those? Now, this one, honestly, she might go back because I don't like that reddish looking color. I'm going to show it to y'all later because I know it looks crazy right now. Oh, sorry. Next, what's the next color to this? I would say, the next one is 018. This is bronze. Now, this is the color that I really, really wanted to get. This is bronze. This kind of reminds me of my Dior lip gloss that I have and Zodiac. Let me show y'all. That's bronzed. I'm going to have to show y'all against the light so y'all can really see it. So, bronze. The next one is 019 gold. This was like the second one that I really wanted to see as well. Okay, that's nice. It's more like copper than gold to me. And copper don't even look like copper. Copper look like bronze. And bronze looks like chocolate. And then last but not least is sun. And this is 020. So yeah, like what happened to all the other numbers before this? And then this one, it looks basic. It's cute, but it's basic. And it's like, these glosses ain't cheap. They're like $8.99, I think. Is the price up here? No, but I think they're like $8.99. And I'm just like, $8.99 for what? Like, even though they're $8.99, bitch, I'm on a budget, okay? So, if you ain't hitting like I want you to, you gotta go back. Oh, in the light, this is what you're seeing. So, left to right, you have sun. Then you have, I believe, what is that? Gold. Then bronze. Then copper. And then the last one that's reddish is rust. So, by the looks of it, honestly, rust is definitely going back. Sun might be going back as well because I could barely see it. And bronze might be going back as well. The one in the middle, along with, honestly, they're cute, but I think all of them might be going back because they're not doing it for me. Like, they look really amazing though in the containers. Look, they're like clear gloss. Next lightest color. This is the one I kind of like. This is gold. Okay, gold looks nice. But gold also look a little tacky at the same time. This reminds me of the lip gloss that my mama used to use back in the day. And literally, I just showed her my Dior one. Oh, look. Do you remember when they used to wear lip glosses like this? Next is Rust. This one I said I was taking back. And let me find out. No, yeah. I was about to be like, let me find out. This be that one color that I was like, I'm taking back. Oh, girl, my eyebrows is all crazy looking. I was like, watch this be the one that I said I was taking back and it actually looked nice. They're like old lady color. Y'all can't tell me this don't look like an old lady color. Look at that. Girl, where I'm going with this? They're like old lady color. Hell no. So I'm going to try this one again. This is copper. But I really think it's that red undertone to it that's really just throwing me for a loop. And it just looked too dark for my lips. This one I might keep though. Because I feel like, I'm thinking like when I put foundation on, how's it going to look with foundation? And this might really be the wave. This one. Okay. I think I'm going to keep copper. Copper going to be like the only one that I probably keep. Because I'm thinking like foundation, highlight, concealer, whatever. It's a cute little color. Sorry, looking. It's cute. The pandemic kind of made me mad lazy, where I feel like if I gotta do too much to make something work, it ain't no point. Now this is bronzed. This is like the darkest one, I think. No, the second, the darkest one. Now this is the one I say remind me of the Dior. This one is nice. Now this is something that I would probably pull for a lot. But this also reminds me of Hot Chocolate by Fenty. So I don't need this because I have Hot Chocolate by Fenty. But I will probably keep this if I didn't have Hot Chocolate by Fenty. Because it got like that sheer but that golden-y tint to it. But it reminds me of the Dior Zodiac. It's Zodiac. This is... Ugh. That micellar water tastes nasty. Because obviously it's not supposed to be in your mouth. But this is the one that I'll keep talking about. The Zodiac. Look how cute it is. It reminds me of... Sort of kind of like this one, but not really. But... it's so freaking cute. But it goes on like... the one I just took off, which was what? I think it was bronzed. But I don't know. Bronze is a little bit more pigmented. See, this one is cute. But now I'm looking at it, I just put this one on. See, this was cute on my hand too. But now I just put it on. I'm like, you're not all of that. You are not all of that at all. Oh, I might have to take the Dior's back. Not the Dior's. Your lips and you're done. But this is the one Stellar. Like, do you see how cute this color is? And yes, the blue really looked like that. It looks even more blue in person. But now I'm scared to see how I look on my lips. It look like clown makeup. It look like little kid makeup. Oh, it's cute though. But it look like little kid makeup. It look like something I already got. Girl, I'm taking this shit back. Nah, this is actually cute though on camera. Like, I can't really see it in here, but on camera, this actually looks really cute. I'm gonna show y'all. It's really pretty, but it just got too much glitter in it, and that's what I'm saying. It looked like little kid makeup. So let me play this over for y'all. Look, y'all see how cute it look? And I don't like that I can feel the little glitter in my lips. It looks really, really cute though. But I don't, it's not that cute to me for the price it costs. You know what I mean? Like, shit, I could make this shit myself. Throw some little mica glitter and call it a motherfucking day. Cause, girl, what? I know Dior. Girl, bye. And I'm quick to return something. If I don't like something nowadays, I used to be one of those people that just hold on to shit. But if I don't like something, I'm not gonna keep holding on to nothing, because I'll be damn if I'm holding on to $30 lip glosses. Like, that's fucking nuts. To hold on to $30 lip glosses. This is cute though. I think this one I really might keep. But I don't know. I might have to sleep on it. Because this kind of done pissed me off. It looks so cute. But it's the glitter. It's not really the gloss. It reminds me, like, when I was younger, I used to put glitter on my lips on top of my lip gloss. That's what it reminds me of. Like, it just looks so childish. Alright, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all one more thing that I have picked up. I don't know if I'm going to keep this one either. This is a Sephora lip pencil in Loudmouth, number 37. I think they're discontinuing it because I got it on sale. But look at the color. It reminds me of, like, Heroin by MAC. Yeah.
Here's your phone just before you lose it.
Thanks. Okay. So it reminds me of, like, Heroin by MAC. But I don't really, you know what I mean? Like, I don't really vibe with this color. So I'm like, should I keep it? Should I not? I don't know. I be getting home and I just be looking at stuff like, should I keep this? Should I not? It's cute though. Oh, we can make like a nice little lip gloss by itself. I might keep it. I gotta look at my makeup collection actually first before I say I'm gonna keep it. Because I actually, now I'm thinking about it, I have a lip liner that looks like this. So, yeah. Oh, and I let my mom smell Nude Sugar. And she loves it. She was like, it reminds her of a cashmere sweater. But I'm sticking to my claims. It smells like Aquilina Pink Sugar, just a little bit warmer. That's all. So, yeah.